this might be the craziest death in Star Trek history. I mean, I know that's hyperbole, but look at this guy. He's flying into a giant, sparkling space asshole very slowly. Takes forever. And he's gonna die. But his reaction is insane. I mean, look what he's doing with his face. At one point, he looks like he has diarrhea, which I guess makes sense. I mean, I'd probably shit myself too if I was flying into a massive, gaping, shiny space asshole. But it takes forever. It takes so long. If you have time to facepalm before you die, your death is going on too long. I mean, people give William Shatner shit about his acting. I think unfairly, by the way. But this guy takes the cake. I mean, it's insane. Alright, I added some sound effects. Hopefully that'll make it a little more believable this time.